Precision robotics automate the planting. Wheels cover each cutting with rich soil. Thousands of perfect rows span the landscape.
Every day, tons of raw sugarcane arrive. Clean energy and sugar are produced. Modern automation streamlines the process. Freshly harvested sugarcane arrives at the refinery. High-pressure jets remove all residual soil. Continuous washing and sea defines this industrial process. Purified juice enters massive multi-stage evaporators. Dense steam rises as liquid moves through the system, golden syrup, flowing onward to crystallization. Inside the vacuum pans, the syrup reaches perfect saturation. Microscopic crystals begin to form. They grow until they fill the entire vessel.